everyone, thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Olaf from Frozen. I'm really excited, I hope you guys are as well. Now let's try to draw Olaf and see what we can come up with. We're going to start off by making a curved U shape. Then we're going to make a smaller curved shape connecting those two sides on top for the top of his head. After that, we're going to make Olaf's nose. His nose will be a triangle-like shape. Then we're going to make his two eyes. We will start with the left eye, which will overlap with the nose. Then we will make the right eye right next to that one, again overlapping with the nose a little bit. Inside each eye, we're going to make two small black circles for the pupils. Now we're going to give Olaf some eyebrows. Once we have finished Olaf's eyebrows, we're going to draw his hair. Next, we're going to give Olaf a big smile. Right below his top lip, we're going to make a big rectangle. This will be Olaf's teeth. Now on each side of Olaf's mouth, we're going to add two curved lines to add detail to his smile. Next, we're going to make the rest of Olaf's body. First, we'll make an oval-like shape coming off of his head. After that, we will add another oval-like shape. This will be the bottom part of his body. Now we're going to add a few circles for buttons on Olaf. After that, we will make two small oval-like shapes on either side of the bottom circle for his feet. Lastly, we need to draw Olaf's arms. We're going to start with his right arm. After that, we're going to make his left arm. Once we're all done, we're going to add a couple curved lines on Olaf's carrot nose for detail. This is how to draw Olaf from Frozen. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color him in with us.